3, 2, 1, let's go!
And our playoffs are underway. We have 1 versus 8 here on the field. 2 red robots quickly moving around. 6488 putting a piece of coral into that reef. Ranking points aren't a thing anymore. It's all about the points at the end of the match. Remember, each coral scored in an autonomous is worth 1 additional point from what it would be in teleoperated. Let's see what strategies these teams employ. On the red side, we have 2 red robots scoring. That's the Alliance captain in the first pick, 118 and 3847. On the blue side, 4 of our 6 robots with 7691. The All-Stars playing aggressive defense all weekend. Looks like they're tasked with that here in match number 1, 6488. RoboRams moving those game pieces back and forth from the human player station to the trough. Their partner 4328 Furious Falcons cleaning off the algae from the reef. And at Cougartrons, they're taking the algae and putting it into the processor. On the red side, we've got all of the coral on the top level. Now 118 and Spectrum are both pulling algae into the barge. A lot of algae already in the barge. We'll see how many they can get. Now we're loading up the third level on the red reef. Red with a large lead with 1 minute remaining. Blues still putting coral into the trough, moving back and forth under a heavy presence of 7691, the All-Stars. Red continuing on level 3, Robonauts and Spectrum just moving back and forth. All the coral on the field. So much white down there on the end for the Robonauts to pick up. Spectrum continuing to try and put algae up into the barge with 30 seconds remaining. Still a large red lead. Blue putting more algae into the processor with 6488 RoboRams ramming into that 7691. With that sound, it's 20 seconds left. 8827 Cougartrons trying to go for the climb. Spectrum is up. Robonauts have grasped that deep cage. They're reeling it in. Both of those robots up. And everybody's under the barge as playoff match number 1 comes to an end. Final score for playoff match number 1 goes to the Red Alliance. The final count being 161 to the Blue Alliance's 55. That means the Red Alliance will move along in the upper bracket. The Blue Alliance is not done. They'll move to the lower bracket. It's not until you lose twice that you get eliminated from the tournament.